This complete tuning kit from Demon United gathers all the core tools you need to maintain both skis and snowboards at home or in the parking lot before a run. The adjustable temperature waxing iron, which can switch between 110-volt and 220-volt power, makes it practical for travel to resorts worldwide. High-quality all-season wax made in the United States, free of perfluorinated compounds and blended for varied snow conditions, delivers smooth glide without harsh chemicals. The durable carry case has thoughtful storage, with enough room for the iron and every tool, while also hanging neatly for easy access during tuning sessions. Included edge tools, files, and repair materials allow you to sharpen, clean, and fix bases so you can stretch more performance and life out of your gear. Overall, this kit is well suited for riders who want a reliable, long-lasting setup that covers regular waxing, edge work, and minor base repairs without needing extra pieces.